That's my whole reason of having my membership. Save you time on design so you can get to crafting faster. Save time on design so you can make money faster. We have a new membership. It's the laser membership, and it is just laser files, and it's $8 a month. If you're not a member to AuntieTay.com, what are you waiting for? When I created my membership, the community was really into cricketing. Cool. There are Cricut files like crazy, and Cricut access is only $8 a month. Let's not apples and orange here. Let's talk about Glowforge. It is $50 a month to be able to find a circle. To put a circle on with your design is $50 a month. That's all you know how to design it, and you have a Glowforge and you're paying that. More power to you. But my membership is $8 a month, and it comes with commercial use rights and comes with hundreds of new files every single month. I'm coming out with game changers and like all these really cool stuff that will make your production so much faster, and I'm living for it. Like, as I'm creating, I'm like, how do we speed up this process, guys? How do we make this faster? How can I get my members creating as fast as possible and cranking out more things?
I made 85.
So I'm using my processing brain to be able to create my files so that you can get the biggest bang for your buck when it comes to your time. I use mixes of Canva, Illustrator, Photoshop. I use the entire Adobe suite, which alone is $50 a month. And then I use Canva Pro, which is another $25 a month. And then I use Silhouette Studio. I had to go to school to become a graphic designer to learn all of that stuff. I'm taking all of that and I'm going, how do I create these files so that you guys can do what you do best, which is create and sell faster and better and wowzersies. Is it wowzersy? Then it can make it on the website. If it's not wowzersy, it can still make it on the website. Become a member, because it'll save you a ton of money, it'll save you a ton of time, and also I added a Facebook group. We have a Facebook group. Now I'm in all the other Glowforge Facebook groups. If you ever wanna like chit chat with me, I'm in all of them, and I'm trying to join all that I can so that I can hang out with you guys in real life. But I have created a Facebook group just for my active members. If you're in this Facebook group, what I am gonna do is I'm gonna compile a poll every single month of files that you guys want, and I'm just gonna design as many of those as I can and put them on our website. So it's gonna be this new way of you guys being able to customly request designs. I will design them so that they're versatile for everyone. So I can't do like your logos or anything like that, but I am gonna be trying to teach you guys how to do a lot of things, and I may have some time to do some custom pieces if there's not a lot of requests and we have so many files that somebody's like, can you use my logo to teach people how to vectorize, or here's my logo. So I'm gonna be very active in that Facebook group to get ideas from what you guys actually need, but then I'm gonna also Tay'S a lot of my stuff because I want everything to have that wowzerized factor. Okay, I don't know why new words are coming out, but I feel like with laser having a Z in it, it is just throwing my whole brain into a whole nother world-making world. Welcome to the new Auntie Tay's, welcome to the new Auntie Tay page. Let's recap. 4 memberships. We have $13 a month. That encompasses my whole website with commercial rights. We have $8 a month, which just is my whole website. No commercial rights, no laser group on Facebook. $8 a month gets you just the files to play with for a hobby. We have a $3 a month, just our SVG basic bundle pack. Those are like basic SVGs that everyone uses for the holidays and basic stuff, putting on cups, putting on whatever you want, and we're growing that library like crazy. That library has over like 10,000 files, and we're growing that as well. And then new laser group, $8 a month. Commercial rights, just the laser page. Laser Facebook group. There's that. That's the breakdown of our membership. Hope you become a member.